Hey, what is going on? I'm there from Android and welcome to the first episode of UniLauncher. So UniLauncher is a new series in our channel where we take a look at some really unique and interesting Android launchers. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So in this episode, we're going to take a look at 3 unique launchers. So starting off with number 3, we have Lens Launcher. So Lens Launcher takes the traditional method of arranging applications on your home screen to a whole new level by providing you with just a single home screen where all the applications you have on your device are laid out in an alphabetical order. And the traditional app drawer where you launch your applications from, well, it's not here. So instead, to launch any application, you have to drag your finger across the screen, which in turn gives an effect of dragging a lens across the screen, making the app icons to zoom in and expand. And to launch a specific application, you just have to zoom in on whichever application you want to launch and take your finger and the app will be launched. The launcher also offers quite a bit of customization options. You can change things like icon size, distortion factor, and you can also hide applications in the launcher and even apply any icon pack of your choice from Play Store. So overall, the Lens Launcher takes a very basic action like launching an application and makes it into a really fun thing to do. So next up at number 2, we have AP15 Launcher. So think of it as a more efficient version of Lens Launcher. So just like in Lens Launcher, you get a single home screen where all the applications are laid out in an alphabetical order. But unlike Lens Launcher, apps here are represented by their names instead of icons. And to launch an application, all you have to do is just a traditional tap. While having app names instead of app icons might seem like a pretty difficult thing to get used to, but believe me, it's far more easier than you think. And surprisingly enough, it's also way more efficient than a traditional launcher once you get accustomed to it. So basically almost every single aspect of the launcher is customizable. You can change the background wallpaper, or you can even have a solid color as the background like me, and you can even change the color of the app names. And here's a quick little tip from me. Try to color code your applications by using the color that's prominent across the user interface of the application. Like in Facebook, the prominent color is a dark blue, and in WhatsApp it's green, and in Twitter it's sky blue. And by color coding your apps this way, it's more easier to find them. And best of all, the launcher itself changes the size of these app names depending on your usage pattern. So let's say you use Chrome or YouTube very often, then the size of Chrome and YouTube will increase over time. And vice versa, when you don't use an application frequently, the size of the application's name will become small over time. So now moving on, at number 1 we have Launcher. Well, if you don't get it, it's Launcher. The name of the launcher is Launcher. Okay, I know it's weird, but don't be afraid, the launcher is not that weird. It's basically sort of like a better version of Pixel Launcher. So if you have used Pixel Launcher and if you like Pixel Launcher, you know that the only drawback with Pixel Launcher is customization options. The Pixel Launcher is simply not at all customizable. You cannot customize any aspect about the Pixel Launcher, and that's where Launcher comes in. It looks exactly like the Pixel Launcher, but almost every single aspect of this launcher is customizable. You can do things like disabling the pixel bar on the home screen, or you can even have a dedicated button for Google Assistant right next to the pixel bar on the home screen for easy access of Google Assistant. You can also have the launcher to adapt its accent color to the color of your current wallpaper, and you can also apply custom icon packs from Play Store. And best of all, you can also enable home screen gesture to quickly pull down the notification tray by simply swiping down on the home screen. So that's it for this episode of UniLauncher, guys. I hope that you found some interesting launchers for your Android device. Well, if you did, just go down and hit the thumbs up button to let me know. And if you have any suggestions for the next episode of UniLauncher, you can leave them in the comments below. I will definitely add them in the next episode. So that's it for me in this video. I'll see you guys later. See ya.